If you're out in the field and you need to inspect a machine that hasn't previously been set up in the web application, obviously you won't be able to load it into the mobile app. If you have an internet connection, you can always jump online, use the browser on your mobile device and set the equipment up. But often you won't have an internet connection, so what you can do on the mobile app is just click New Equipment. This is obviously a very basic setup. It can't retrieve a customer list from online or anything like that because you don't have a connection, but you can fill in these details manually, create the equipment, sync the inspection, and then match it up later on the web application and complete the machine setup on the web app. So we'll just type in Test Create as our customer, and we're going to say it's job site 1, and we're just going to say that this is perhaps a D10T. Enter a serial number and a unit number, and then click Add. The next screen here is where you can actually select what components are on the equipment. And depending on the equipment, there's a variety of different configurations, but it will pre-select the basics. So on this, we're going to say it's got a link, a bush, and a shoe because it has a standard chain. It's a D10. It's an elevated sprocket, so it has a front and rear idler. We'll keep them checked. Obviously, it has a sprocket. We're going to say it's got 2 carrier rollers, so we'll select the second carrier roller here. And we're going to say that it's got 8 track rollers, not 7. And let's say it's going to have a single, double, 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 single roller configuration. It's got a track roller guard on it, a rock guard. And we want to measure a track elongation on it as well. And then we just save. The equipment then appears here as any other equipment that you would have loaded. The only difference being is that it won't have any previous results from previous inspections showing. It's then just a case of select it and follow the inspection process as you would with any other equipment. Entering in your SMUs, your forward and reverse, job site conditions, track sag, etc. Under the inspection of the actual components, you'll see that there's a lot less information here, and that's because this is a very basic link. It has no idea what the link is or how to measure it, but you can just choose your tool and put in your measurements as you normally would. For creating new equipment on the mobile app, once you've synced the inspection, there is an additional step on the web application to actually view the new equipment and either match it with an existing equipment or create it fully in the web app as a new equipment, and we'll cover that in the next video.